What did he say? No. Right guys, just about to go and get a tuk-tuk now.
Told us to fuck off.
Well, yeah. Well, one tuk-tuk, the guy told us to fuck off. He was like, I can't be asked for a key block. Fair play to him, fair play. You would have earned a few more rupees, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. But wow. Oh look, straight in there.
I'm like, these guys don't care about walking or getting about. I'm like,
We're happy to walk about.
Oh yeah. I'm more than happy to just walk about. Well, more than happy. But, nee.
Just get as much footage as we can on the walk, innit?
oh yeah, we got you lads there.
yeah, we just side loop.
Crazy, isn't it, man? There's no rules in PK, especially on the roads. Wow.
You make the rules as you go.
That's it, they meant to just make the rules. Like, Jesus Christ, there's thousands of bikes. I mean, not everyone can have cars here because of the amount of people. Yeah, of course. It's just expensive as well.
So people can't even afford bikes nowadays.
That's it, that's true. But, like we seen yesterday, for 200 rupees it was 0.61 litres.
In a place where there is petrol.
Like,
do you know what I mean?
in Pakistan, the inflation that's going on now is unbelievable. People just can't do it. Like, they're working for nothing really. But got to work to survive, haven't we?
Right, lads.
What do I do? Got a... Oh,
What?
not a clue.
चलिए ऐसे ही पेस पैदल पे हैं
आए कुछ जाते हैं वहाँ से कुछ खा लेते हैं
खाने की बुंड में आ रहे हैं अब शॉपिंग करते हैं अपना है
You go take you right there. Just fuck off there. Go.
Yeah, go on, then.
Shopping then.
Got to go do a bit of shopping.
हाँ ठीक है okay let's go
Get a shalaka, man. Definitely need one of those. Seems way too much for me. What is it, like 5 in the afternoon? I'm sweating like it's 8 o'clock in the morning.
well like 6 now isn't it?
Yeah, about, well, something like
Okay,
that.
sun's gone down.
Yeah, sun's gone down. Heat's well.
It's 26 and it's still morning and it's not in the UK
Oh, this is where it shows?
Friend, want eat?
Huh?
Do you want
Want some meat?
Yeah, go on in.
I got some
Go on.
Spiral? नहीं है Spiral? Spiral भी कर हाँ ये मेरा बड़ा भाई है ये आपको
ये मेरे दोस्त
Madness. Little road. What's this called?
It's just chips. Just potato in it. Spiral potatoes. Potato.
Yeah.
Potatoes in it. The way they just put them on a stick. They're just normal fries in it. Yeah. They've got like sauces. Yeah. Look. Go. Look, VIP here, innit? You know what I mean? Get a little video of his little thing, innit? Tell him Lahore Link Road, that's where you can find him, innit?
Lahore Link Road.
Lahore Link Road, yeah?
Q Block.
No, it's in Q Block.
This is no, we're Q Block.
Yeah.
Oh, this is Link Road. I
Yeah.
thought you were telling him where we are. No, we are here.
That's where you go, that's where you've been chilling.
Wow, this looks really nice. I want a little bit of spice, not too much though. Start sweating me back out, mate. Wow, look at these guys.
There's a police here, local police.
Pakistani police.
Yeah.
The feds back home treat us like shit.
Big brick in his pocket as well.
Different breed, bro.
He's no one in the ends, innit, Tony? Yeah, he just chills up there, gets
I can
paid.
tell by everyone coming over to
What is up there, Tony?
It's his office, innit?
Is that your office where you work? Yeah.
No, just his chill pad office,
Oh,
innit?
your chill pad office. Ah, my man. We're nearly done with the fries.
I gotta learn more about this camera, Nick. Stop recording after like 5 minutes. I've got the frame rate on to. I've got it on 50. It wasn't on 4K though. I moved it on to 4K.
Sausage.
Even without the spices.
We know what spices are.
Some spice on there, we're not that white. Decent flavour.
You want green chili?
Yeah.
बराबर में जीरा पाओ ज़्यादा नहीं
No.
नहीं
Spicy ना? मसाला डाल दो। Ketchup बना।
बस केचप है ये और कुछ नहीं है मायो अच्छी है
मायो केचप साइड पे।
साइड प्लेट है वाह ये मेरा
Assalamualaikum. It's okay.
ये लो भाई
Assalamualaikum, it's so good.
Yeah, we're getting noticed just left, right and centre. So, look at it. Phenomenal.
Yeah, put your camera away. Oh, do you want to keep your stack the camera? Yeah, a little bit.
Get a bit of that though.
Nice bag.
One sec.
Oh wow.
Nice, yeah?
Alright, phenomenal, brother. Oh, there you go.
Chasing it.
Oh, I need that all day. All day.
Oh, that's good that.
Oh yeah.
very very nice
Oh wow. That, the amount of flavours you're getting off that as well.
Look at that, isn't that, you know what I mean, isn't it?
And it's the aftertaste as well. Like the aftertaste is mint.
Good, yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Oh, that's a lift shaft.
Fuck it, hell, that's it.
Fuck it, that. I'm up. Oh, yeah. Well, that says that lift, or is it someone's gaff? Wow.
Fucking abandoned shopping while there, bro.
I was just about to say that. Is it abandoned or?
Probably, yeah, it looks abandoned. Look at that, bro. Fucking Someone's gear here, clothes there.
Use this guy.
Tony's spot.